once the user logs in to the C4Car Admin Portal. On the home page, select Used Car. To add cars for customers, admin clicks on the Add Cars button, enter the vehicle details, images, and click on Add Used Car button to save the details. Click on to set the time slot for used car services to click on Setting icon, Car List. To display all the cars for customers, admin to check-in select all option, whereas for specific car, admin to check in for those cars only. Weekly off setting. Select the weekdays on which the garage will be open for used car service and click on Update. Select month. Select the month for which used car settings will be implemented. Calendar setting. As per the weekly off setting, calendar will be updated automatically. To mark any date as holiday, admin can select the date and click on Mark as Holiday button. To save the changes, admin to click on Update all button changes will be reflected on mobile application. Holiday setting. To remove the specific date from the holiday list, check in the date and click on Remove button. For holiday setting, admin to select the date from the drop-down and click on Update Holiday. Click on the next button for more settings. Work time setting. Select the start and end time from the drop-down and click on Update button. Time setting. To set the time setting for a month, select the time from the displayed time list and click on Update All to save the setting.